The Supreme Court, while hearing a petition with regard to the sealing of the Delhi border by the neighbouring states, said that there should be a uniform policy when it comes to NCR's borders. The apex court has directed the Delhi, UP and Haryana governments to decide on a common policy for the interstate movement of commuters in the NCR region within a week. Both Haryana and Uttar Pradesh have sealed their borders with Delhi amid soaring coronavirus cases in the national capital. The petition stated that there was a lot of inconvenience that the people were facing due to the NCR region being sealed in this manner. Now, the Unlock 1 has meant that people have to go for work, and airports have been opened as well, because of which people need to access ways in Delhi to be able to reach either their offices or the airports.
आज सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने केंद्र सरकार को ये कहा है और हरियाणा सरकार जो है इसके साथ बैठकर विचार विमर्श करे कि इंटर स्टेट जो मूवमेंट है उसको लेकर एक कॉमन पास की व्यवस्था की जाए, क्योंकि लोगों को काफी दिक्कतें आ रही हैं।
ठीक, अगर उनका है तो बिल्कुल करेंगे।
सीमा में क्यों रोक रहे हैं आप? जब होम डिपार्टमेंट की गाइडलाइंस हैं, आप अलग अलग तय कर रहे हैं। फिर इसका मतलब केंद्र सरकार का कोई सुनना ही नहीं चाहता है। दो जगह तो बीजेपी की सरकारें हैं, हरियाणा में और उत्तर प्रदेश में। बॉर्डर अगर होम डिपार्टमेंट ने, अगर भारत सरकार ने कहा कि बॉर्डर खुलने चाहिए तो बॉर्डर खुलने चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर काम नहीं शुरू करेंगे आप काम शुरू कराना चाहते हैं, लोग आ जा नहीं सकेंगे तो कैसे काम शुरू होगा?
Our legal editor Utkarsh Anand is now joining us with more details on this story. Utkarsh, these are all administrative issues. Did the Supreme Court have to say anything on the fact that aggrieved citizens have to approach the court over such administrative issues as well now?
To see, I will disagree with that. These are not administrative issues, in fact. This is about the fundamental right to move. We have a national capital region. We have a national capital region board. Now, there is an NCR board which is headed by the Ministry of Home Affairs. And in a situation like this, when we have the COVID-19 pandemic, and the entire country is being regulated under the National Disaster Management Act, in which the nodal ministry happens to be the Home Ministry. That is what these petitions cite, that if the Home Ministry has issued certain orders under the NDMA, in that case scenario, it is not open to each and every state government to take an unilateral or a whimsical view. That is what the crux of these petitions are. They also say that when the central government has said that the commercial activities must be resumed, people should start going to their offices. That is not possible in the NCR till the time each and every state government, Delhi government, Haryana government, and the Uttar Pradesh government, they come out with their own set of guidelines and have issues across the borders. That's what these petitions said. Supreme Court seemed to be prima facie agree with it. Supreme Court will go by the definition of the NCR and raise this question that if you have a national capital region, then you must have a uniform and a consistent policy across the NCR at least. For that purpose, court said that you must have one policy, one portal, and one pass. Let there be one path. There will be a system which must be evolved by the consensus of all the three states involved, and then let there be one pass which should enable a commuter, somebody who is employed across the NCR region, somebody who has to go to work across the NCR region, to use that pass to commute across the national capital region. Supreme Court was also mindful of the issues being faced by the commuters on the borders, and every day new set of guidelines being promulgated by the state government. That is what the Supreme Court has. That is what has prompted the Supreme Court to now seek a composite guideline by the Union Home Ministry after consultation with these three states within a week.
All right, let me go across to RP Singh of the BJP joining us for his views on this. RP Singh, you know, this was probably expected, and not just now. We have seen in the past few weeks as well, Haryana having its own rules of people crossing over into their part of the state. Or, for instance, Uttar Pradesh, you know, we constantly move from Delhi to Noida. There was a requirement for passes to cross over to the Uttar Pradesh side. Why was this overlooked for so many weeks, that a common policy on these borders within the NCR was not looked at?
See, there are two situations. One was before the Unlock 1 and now after Unlock 1. But till Unlock 1, there's a situation where everything was under lockdown. And now there's Unlock 1. But since the Delhi government has some ideas, some issue with the people coming from other states, So it's within their purview, and I'm hopeful that they will think about this that during Unlock 1, when the government has opened the interstate transportation, they should work it out. And as far if there's a problem with the hospital, I've said it earlier also, I'm saying it again, that we are prepared to cooperate with them to any level and any extent. And then this is pandemic situation, no tutu meme, no politics at all. I mean,
Yeah, absolutely.
we'll
And
go to any
RP Singh, that is why I asked you that question, that this was a situation that one could foresee, because there were passes being used by people who were even in essential services. Then why couldn't a common policy be devised for movement of people within the NCR when Unlock 1.0 was being thought of?
See, Unlock 1 is clear that anyone can go from any one state to other state. But there's a new situation which has arrived in Delhi where the cases have all of a sudden spiked too much. And then there is some scarcity of hospitals, and Delhi government keeping in that mind is doing that. But I'm saying, I mean, I'm not integrated with stud facts. Delhi government can confine, if they want to confine Delhi beds, only Delhi hospital to Delhiites, they can confine that. But I'll appreciate they should not restrict the movement.
Okay.
They should allow people to come.
All right.
They can say to the hospital, they can issue instruction that you see the ID card or Aadhaar card of Delhiites, only then give permission. I mean, that can be taken care. But don't stop people from coming from Delhi. That's my request.
All right.
No tutu meme at all on
Okay,
this.
let me go across to Saurabh Bharadwaj also from the Aam Aadmi Party. Saurabh Bharadwaj, would you want to respond to RP Singh? He's saying that if hospitals is the basic argument why borders have been sealed, then let's find a solution quickly to that and then open up these borders for the other people to freely move about. Now that people are expected to go to work, the airports are open, people might want to use the airport to fly in and out of Delhi, or the Delhi NCR rather.
Okay, I think I'll put your point and Mr. R.P. Singh's point in a common perspective, and I think we all, you, me, and Mr. R.P. Singh, we are on a common page regarding few things. Basically, you have to see it in perspective of two PILs. One PIL which was filed almost 10-15 days back when Haryana had sealed its borders. So that PIL was in Honorable Supreme Court. And then there was another PIL which was filed 2 days back, which was with respect to the Delhi government sealing its borders. Okay, and in the Supreme Court's PIL, the Honorable Supreme Court ruled that now the three states, Haryana, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh, along with the central government, should sit together and within a week they should come up with a common mobility card or a common mobility pass which can be used for people to travel across NCR. So this is one. Another PIL which was in Delhi High Court, and then in that, they had mentioned that Delhi has sealed its borders. And, people in other states may not be able to use the medical facilities in Delhi. For that, the High Court has dismissed that petition and asked Delhi government to highlight its policy on a public platform so that there is no confusion. Now, if you look both the judgments in a common perspective.
But Saurabh Bharadwaj, I'll interrupt you here, is because people have had to go to the Supreme Court for what should have been done by governments in the first place. The idea is not to make life difficult for people during a COVID-19 pandemic when people are already dealing with so much, but to ease things out for them, isn't it?
Yes, it is to ease things out. But I think governments have to take decisions sometimes which are, difficult decisions for a particular set of people, in order to, avert a very worse kind of a situation. Now, the situation in Delhi, like in a few other metro cities like Chennai and Bombay, is like this, that, we have limited medical facilities, okay? And we have an app where we have broadcasted in a transparent way that these are the number of beds which are available for COVID in Delhi. Now, now we have a situation where if all these beds get occupied from neighboring states, we cannot say no to them. And, when Delhi patients come and they ask for medical facility, we cannot tell them that because it has been occupied by somebody else, we cannot throw them out also,
All right, fair enough. But there are already suggestions, Saurabh Bharadwaj, that people have given that use the Delhi government related hospitals for people in Delhi, reserve them, leave the ones that are in the central pool for everybody. Finally, I want both of you gentlemen to quickly tell me, will both these parties commit now that things will be made easy for the people of Delhi NCR? Will you say that the borders, if things work out, will be opened, Saurabh Bharadwaj, quickly?
I think the way has been shown by the Honorable Supreme Court. They have asked all three governments and the central government representatives to sit around and devise a common policy.
All right, RP
I think
Singh?
that can be done. That can be done easily.
RP Singh?
We are prepared to walk
Quickly.
the extra mile.
Okay.
We are prepared to walk the extra mile, and we are all there to support the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi. As far as COVID goes, whatever they need, we'll support them. But only request is don't lock down again and during unlock one.
All right, it's good to hear that parties want to work together to fight COVID-19 and the situation arising out of that. Saurabh Bharadwaj and RP Singh, both of you, many thanks for joining us.
Thank you.